In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable on-screen keyboard on your Windows computer. For this demonstration, I'm using Windows 10. However, this should work on any other Windows such as Windows 8 and even Windows 11. All you need to do is to go to the Start menu here and then tap on Start. From here, tap on Settings, and this will open your Settings option. And from Settings, look for an option called Ease of Access. Tap on it to open. From here, look for Keyboard. It is here on the bottom left corner. Tap on it. Now here you can see under Keyboard, we have an option called Use your device without a physical keyboard. Go ahead and toggle on this, and immediately you will see the keyboard will appear on your screen. So if you go ahead and minimize this, you can start using your keyboard. Now, in case you don't want to lose this keyboard each and every time you open your computer, all you need to do is to pin it to taskbar. To do that, you can go to the taskbar and you will see your on-screen keyboard feature appearing here. Now, all you need to do is to right-click on this icon, and then here you'll have an option called on-screen keyboard. Now, go ahead and look for the pin to task option, and you can see it is here. So tap on it, and then you'll never lose your keyboard even if you have closed this one. Now you can see each time we want to access our keyboard, even after restarting your computer, all you need to do is to come here and then tap on it to open. Alternatively, if you want to access your on-screen keyboard using the keyboard shortcuts, you can simply use a combination of Ctrl plus Windows plus O on your keyboard, and then the keyboard will pop up on your screen. And also to close it, you can use the same combination, Ctrl key plus Windows key plus O to close it. That's how you enable on-screen keyboard on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.